Welcome to Don in My Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Mandaazi, which is an East African donut. This is heavily inspired by the Arabs that came down into the east part of Africa. It's absolutely wonderful. You have it with your tea. It's donut, but it's got a triangular shape to it, but it's delicious. It's well worth having. Once you have it, you're gonna always ask for Mandaazi. Trust me on that. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw us making this wonderful dish. And with that said, like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you're informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible, comment below whether you are going to try this out or whether you have any requests, because we do for requests. And with that said, catch you in the next one.